Romantic comedies to play. Oh, don't look at me. Is that the main cause of this mess? Hey, I think I'm sick with some sort of disease. Is it your eyes or is it just me? Oh Lord God.
My name's Lee. Relationships aren't my strong suit. I crave closeness, but the moment someone gets too near, I panic. People say I'm hard to get to know. I guess it's because I keep my distance emotionally, at least. Trusting others doesn't come easy when you're constantly waiting for the other shoe to drop.
Cause you're not the type to fall into love, but you're not to blame.
These are my friends. Arya, the artist in our group. Lily, the bookworm. Nora, a bubbly optimist. Evan, the energetic, our motivator. Evan, the troublemaker, and Miles, the sarcastic. Feels the same, but at least I have my friends. We're not classmates, but still they're the reason I make it through the day.
Silin! Finally, nagising ka na rin. Kala namin matutulog ka na habang buhay.
Baba kayo sanay. Di na bago yan.
Salamat ah! Anyways, what are you guys talking about?
Okay. Hear me out. What if sumali tayong lahat sa talent show? As in group tayo.
Alam nyo namang ayaw akong tumayo sa harap ng maraming tao eh.
Oo nga. Wala naman tayo talent unless may pagbilisan na lang tayo ng basa kay Lily. Bro, di kita naririnig!
Paano kung pagsamasamahin natin yung talent natin? Paano naman ako?
Ikaw yung center ng group, obviously. No one else could keep this mess together.
I wish I felt like the heart. Most of the time, I felt like I'm just here, trying to hold on to everyone while feeling like,
Uy, girl, tara na! Time na, let's get it. Uy, una na. Sininakay ka lang ba? Pwede ka kasi Oo, pagod lang. Except, ngayon kasi, niyaya tayo ni Evan sumali ng talent show. Kaya mo dapat din na lang pumasok. Kaya mo siya, gusto mo sumama ka na lang sa amin mamaya lunch. Kung di ako busy.
minsan gusto ko na lang magpahinga. Hindi dahil sa mga kaibigan ko, kundi sa lahat. Sa mga ingay, pati sa mga pressures. Ang tagal magpalabas sa kanila, makapag-ikot nga muna.
Sorry, did I interrupt you?
Di naman. Di ko naman alam na may ibang tao na darating.
Might you please?
Go ahead.
Do you like to draw?
Pero I like to doodle and just write random things.
Parang journal.
Parang ganun. Pero it's not that deep or anything.
Stay put and make sketches.
Kailangan ko na bumalik sa room. Nice meeting you,
Yes,
Celine.
Nice meeting you. See you around.
Lagi paglabang mas karami. Kaya naman, naipagunahan. Ito pa din. Babang muna dito.
Neither. But think sa pag-aasin na nasa nabubuhay ako sa bansa. Nasaan na pala sila?
Wala siguro, malis, masakit.
Seriously? Saan ka ba pumupuntang bata ka?
Nag-ikot-ikot muna ako sa akala kasi matagal pa kayo. So, kamusta pala sa talent show? Decide pa ba tayo?
Oh, sino yan?
Who is this guy? Siya si Lucien. We just met each other earlier. Siya si Lucien. Do you like books or do you read books?
So, anong mga dinodrawing mo?
Okay, don't scare him away. Thank you for this, Lucien. Seems like
There.
Lucien wasn't like anyone I'd met before. Quiet, a little awkward, but in a good way. I didn't know it yet, but he was about to become part of our little circle.
Have you ever seen her? 5 years? I think you read too much books. That's enough.
No, I'm dead serious. Like, are we still friends? And do we remember hanging out like this?
Hindi tungkol sa inaarap, kundi paano magtatagal lahat. Someday may darating pero biglang mawawala.
That was kind of cool. It was right. But always this way. People come and go. But for now, this is what we got. And I guess that's what matters.
Okay, that's enough for our date. Paano kung mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo? Wag muna natin future.
Tara, let's go!
Lucien had this way of saying things that make you stop and think. Like he knew something we didn't. Like he understood how fragile it all was.
It's been a day. How are you?
Uy!
Nasaan yung iba?
Iba naman, iba may sakit. Siguro naman may allergy daw sa kanila.
Si Lucien. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita simulang noong umaga. Nakita niyo ba siya? Ha? Sino? Lucien? Wala, di naman kilala yun. Si Lucien! Si Lucien nung kasama natin these days. 3 sketches?
Okay ka lang ba, Sinin? Hindi namin kilala yung sinasabi mo.
Imaginary friend ka ba? Dapat na ba kami mag-work sa'yo? Seryoso. Nagjo-joke lang kayo, di ba? Mahilig kasi kayo mag-joke, di ba?
Mukha ba?
Mukha ba kami nagjo-joke? Eh, hindi ngayon nga namin narinig yung pangalan na yun.
Ano ba yung sa kanya? May ano nangyari sa kanya?
Hindi ko alam.
I'll be back! It won't take too long!
Oh, they have been messing with me. Kasama namin siya all this time. Paano nila makakalimutan si Lucien?
Lucien! Lucien, what's going on?
Uy, what do you mean?
Hey friends, sabi nila di ka daw nila maalala. Na hindi ka daw nag-i-exist. Ano nangyari?
Iniisip ko kung gano'n mo katagal bago mapansin.
Mapansin ang alin?
That I don't belong.
Ha? Ang weird mo. Explain this.
Hindi ako bilang dito. Hindi sa mundong ito. I just ended up here and became uncomfortable after now.
So you're saying na you're from another universe?
Parang ganun nung.
Why do I don't remember you? Why do I remember you?
Tatandaan mo ako kasi yun yung mga kilala sa kanila. But I met a girl just like everyone else. So I was supposed to exit in the world. So I did.
Are you leaving?
Wala naman ako ni Grace. Parang may humila sa akin pabalik sa mundo.
You can't just leave after all of this.
Hindi okay ka rin. You have your friends. I was discussing too.
Sometimes, people come into your life out of nowhere, and just as quickly, they're gone. But even if they leave something behind, a memory, a feeling, a mark that changes you forever. I don't know where he went, or if I'll ever see him again. But I do know this. He was real. And sometimes, that's enough.
Maaring